We chose to focus on residential design because we just love the closely knit relationships that you form when working with clients in terms of figuring out exactly what people want and need.
We've been in business since 2001. It's very easy to remember that because at the time we had a 6-month-old, a 2-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 5-year-old. A lot of our clients tell us that one of the reasons why they love working with us is because we can relate to them.
And of course, we started with small jobs, renovation projects, and slowly these projects began to grow into full house renovations, kind of more transformational projects.
What we did during those years is we really figured out what everyone dislikes about their homes. Our clients are telling us what they don't want, and every house that we would renovate, there was a clear pattern. People were missing a truly custom home experience. And they have a list of very specific requirements, so might as well customize it to exactly what you and your family want.
Around 2010, 2011, we decided that it's time to do our own thing now and build something from scratch.
Once we started building our own houses, we're like, oh my God, this is like so much easier because you're starting with a clean slate. So you make the right decisions from the beginning.
We began to build new construction and embody the principles that we always wanted to from the beginning. Mid-Atlantic modern vacation-style living homes. Modern homes that are adapted to the region of Northern Virginia. Something new and fresh for the people who live there. And I think really important, the way they're adapted to the local climate and surroundings. A mid-century modern home from Southern California is different than one in New Canaan, Connecticut. But the principles are there, and I think that's the key that we strive for, is to incorporate those principles but adapt them to where you are on this planet.
We coined the phrase vacation style living, of living like you're on vacation every day of the year, and we basically translate that into architecture, into design, into details, so that the home has that retreat-like feeling. A lot of the times people think that modern has to be all white and stark and sterile, but at the end of the day, we are building homes, and homes have to be functional, and they have to be warm and inviting and cozy.
As we design our homes, we want people to feel like this home makes them feel relaxed, very healthy and happy. We're talking about homes that are full of natural light, that are open and easy to live in. When you first enter a home, how does it reveal itself to you? How do you proceed to that first public space of the kitchen, dining, and great room? And how do they respond to then the outdoors?
The outdoor spaces are part of the indoor spaces. They should never be like an afterthought. Living like you're on vacation means that you have this very symbiotic relationship between the indoors and the outdoors.
All these homes have something really in common, and that is the way they respond uniquely to their sites, the way they bring in natural light to the home. Your home is the most important place to be. It should make you feel great, and it should lift you up from all kinds of standpoints, mentally, physically, spiritually. I think it should make you feel better in every aspect of your life. And we believe that can be achieved through great design.
We tell our clients, we don't just create plans. We actually create an experience for you, and the experience of living like you're on vacation. Since you're still here, obviously something must have resonated with you. Reach out to us through our website. We can't wait to meet you.